people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will share with you how happy I am today. Why? Because I received a message from the YouTube that I've reached 500 subscribers. I am so impressed and I am inspired because from that 500 subscribers, I am recognized. And you know what? From that email, they also sent me a video having this number of people boarding on the jumbo jet. And it's having, like, to thank those people who really try to support me in this journey, especially people out there, the beautiful people. So thank you so much for being updated of. So thank you so much, because without you, I will not be able to reach that 500 subscribers. I would like also to share with you another certificate. Also, that TrueBody give me a certificate that I own 500 subscribers. So I will show you later that kind of certificate looks like. But this is it. Yay! So again, thank you so much for those who subscribe me, those who really support me in this journey, and those who watch my video, though I am trying to work on the content, and those who really give comment, those who try to give their thumbs up, thumbs down, and also suggestion of how to work on this. So this is a road for us to go in 1,000K. So I hope that we will that number for a couple of months, and I know that you will always there for me to support. So again, I am so thankful for you, and also the YouTube and the TrueBody for this kind of recognition and this kind of appreciation. So kind of certificate, I just put this on the frame because this will serve as my souvenir. You know what? No, so sorry if I am speechless right now because I am just so happy. So I am not asked by the YouTube body, the TrueBody to plug in this one, but you can have this if you will have also to subscribe. Then you can have your certificate, your milestone on doing the YouTube. So from here you have your name. You will have your name written on it. Then you can print it out. Then you can have it as your certificate like this. So thank you so much. Thank you.